Hi guys, today we've got here Google Pixel 9a and let me show you how to apply dark theme on this device. So at first you have to enroll the list of all apps and enter settings. As you can see, dark theme is currently active, but I'll show you how to switch it off and on easily. So from the settings list, select display and touch, and here you'll notice dark theme. So once it is active and you want to switch it off, just unmark this indicator, and whenever it is not turned on, just mark this switcher to activate dark theme. As you can see, you can also schedule your night mode. To do it, just mark schedule and choose either custom hours or from sunset to sunrise. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.